Good morning, children. Welcome to today's Max online class. So, what we did in the previous class, children? In the previous class, I gave subtraction sums. Isn't it? Subtract on number line and subtract on abacus sums. And homework we gave, textbook sums we did. Is it? So, today first, you take out the classwork book. Okay? Max classwork, you just take out the classwork. So today we'll do the statement sums, word problems. Take out Max classwork and write in the first line, word problems. Word problems, okay? In the classwork book, write heading WORD, word, PROBLEMS, word problems. Then start first sum in the next line. There were 6 pizzas in that 2 pizzas were eaten. 2 pizzas were eaten. How many pizzas are left? How many pizzas are left? Okay. So, first take out classwork, write heading WORD, word, PROBLEMS, word problems. Then write first sum, there were, THERE, there, WERE, were 6 pizzas. There were 6 pizzas. How many pizzas? There were 6 pizzas. PIZZAs. This is pizzas. In that, THAT, that 2 pizzas were eaten. Okay, 2 pizzas were eaten. How many pizzas are left? Okay. So, there are how many pizzas? 6 pizzas. After writing question, copy answer in the next line. Number of pizzas. Number of pizzas. How many is there pizzas? 6. Then, number of pizzas eaten. Number of pizzas eaten. That is -2. Okay, this is subtraction sum. So we should put the minus symbol. How many pizzas are there totally? There are 6 pizzas. 6 circles you can draw. There are 6 pizzas. How many they were eaten? 2 they were eaten. So scratch 2. How many balance? See? 1, 2, 3, 4 balance. So 4 balance. Right, last line. Number of pizzas left. Number of pizzas left. Number of pizzas left. That is 4 pizzas were left. Okay. How to do? I'll explain one more time. See. So after writing heading, start the first sum. What is the heading? WORD, word, PROBLEMS, problems, word, problems. So first question, there were 6 pizzas. THERE, there, WERE, were 6 pizzas. How many pizzas? There were 6 pizzas. In that, 2 pizzas were eaten. Okay, 2 pizzas were eaten. How many pizzas are left? Means how many balance is there? So start the answer. First line, see, number of pizzas. How many pizzas are there totally? 6 pizzas. Number, second line you go and write. Leave a line and write. Okay, in one page, one sum you write by leaving a line. So it will come neatly. Next, number of pizzas eaten. How many pizzas they ate? See, total 6 are there. 2 pizzas were eaten. 2 you cut off. See how many balance is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 balance. Okay, that only right here. Number of pizzas left. 4. Like that also you can do. Otherwise 6 fingers you can keep. Fold 2, balance, see how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. That like that also you can do. Otherwise, draw circles and you can do. Okay, one more time I'll read. Then I'll write the second sum. Okay, understand properly. Word problems. There were 6 pizzas. In that, 2 pizzas were eaten. How many pizzas are left? Okay, this is the question. Answer. Number of pizzas, 6. Number of pizzas eaten, 2. Number of pizzas left, 4. Okay. So, DHERE, there. WERE, were. 6. PIZZAS, pizzas. IN, in. THAT, that. 2 pizzas, PIZZAS, pizzas were. WERE, were. Eaten, EAT, EN. HOW, how. MANY, many. PIZZAS, pizzas. ARER, LEFT, left. How many pizzas are left? So, number of pizzas. PIZZAS, pizzas. 6 pizzas. Number of pizzas eaten. 2. 2 they ate. Number of pizzas left. How many? 4. It was left. Okay. Understand how to do this sum? Statement sum? Yes. One more time I'll read this. Then I'll go to the second sum. One page you write only one sum. We are sent through the PDF, isn't it? The PDF notes also I have written in one page only one sum. So you also write like that by leaving a line. Okay. So there were 6 pizzas. In that 2 pizzas were eaten. How many pizzas are left? So number of pizzas, 6. Number of pizzas eaten, 2. Number of pizzas left, 4. Okay, total 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 eaten, 2 you cut it, balance count 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand how to do? Shall I erase this? Yes. Next page, go to next page. Keep ready, second sum. Keep ready, second sum. Same, in the class of book only you write the second sum. So, second sum. We give, keep ready second sum in the next page. Okay. And homework I'll give this side. What you should write today's homework, maths homework. Numbers you write, this one not. In words you write. Okay, right? 1 to 20 in words. 1 to 20 in words means you know now what you should write? No, not. Yes. 1 to 20 in words. You write 2 times. Okay. 2 times you write. How to write you know now? ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4. This one you should write in your homework book. FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9, TEN10. Okay, ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN7, EIGHT8, NINE9, TN10. This one you should write up to 20 in your homework book. ELE VN 11, TW ELVE 12, THIRTEEN 13, FOURTEEN 14, 15. Don't write 15. Some children will write a 15. No, that is wrong. You should write 15. FIFTEEN 15. SIXTEEN 16. SEVENTEEN 17. EIGHTEEN 18. NINETEEN 19. TWENTY 20. Okay. ELEVN 11, ELEVN 11, ELEVN 11, TWELVE 12, TWELVE 12, TWELVE 12, THIRTEEN 13, THIRTEEN 13, THIRTEEN 13, FOURTEEN 14, FOURTEEN 14, FIFTEEN 15, FIFTEEN 15, FIFTEEN 15, SIXTEEN 16, SIXTEEN 16, SIXTEEN 16, SEVNTEN 17, SEVNTEN 17, EIGHTEEN 18, EIGHTEEN 18, NINETEN 19, NINETEN 19, NINETEN 19, TWENTY 20, TWENTY 20, TWENTY 20. Okay, that one today's homework. 1 to 10 in words. 1 to 20 in words. Okay. Have you understood? Next, we'll continue the classwork. Second sum. First sum I have finished, and homework also you have copied. Now second sum. Copying the fresh page. Mohan had 9 chocolates. Mohan had 9 chocolates. He gave 4 to his friends. He gave 4 to his friend. He gave 4 to his friend. How many chocolates are left? How many chocolates are left? Yes. See, what is the second question? Question I'll read once again. See, Mohan, M-O-H-A-N, Mohan, H-A-D, had 9 chocolates. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-S, chocolates. Mohan had 9 chocolates. How many chocolates he have? 9 chocolates. He gave, H-E-G-A-V, gave. He gave 4 to his friend. How many he will give? 4 to his friend. How many chocolates are left? Okay. So, Mohan had 9 chocolates. He gave 4 to his friend. How many chocolates are left? Okay. M-O-H-A-N, Mohan. H-A-D, had. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-S. What is this? Chocolates. H-E-G-A-V, gave 4 to his Friend. T-O-2-H-I-S is friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. How? H-O-W. How? M-A-N-Y. Many. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-S. Chocolates. A-R-R. Left. L-E-F-T. Left. How many chocolates are left? Mohan had 9 chocolates. He gave 4 to his friend. How many chocolates are left? Okay. So start now answer. In the next line, Mohan had. So Mohan had. How many chocolates he is having? He is having 9 chocolates. He's having nine chocolates. So he will be having 9 chocolates with him. How many he will give to friend? So he gave to friend. Write in second line. He gave, G-A-V, he gave to friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. He gave to friend. How many he will give to friend? 4. He will give 4 to his friend. Right here, 4. And this is subtraction sum, so put minus symbol. Okay, 4. How many he will give? He'll give 4 to his friend. Below 9 only, it should be written 4. Okay. How many he will give to friend? 4 chocolates. Yes. Mohan had 9 chocolates and he gave to friend 4 chocolates. ಅದು ಇದು ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಈ ರೂಮ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಕ್ಷತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸರ್ ನಾಗೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ನಂದಿನಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಗೋದ್ರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಷತಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೇ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಮಧು ಬಂದ್ರ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದಾರೆ. ಬಂದ್ರ ಪೇರೆ ಒಂದ್ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Yes, finish. Mohan had 9 chocolates. He gave to friend how many? 4 he will give. So you can draw 4 9 circles, 9 chocolates. You need not to draw this. I am giving for you to make you to understand that's it. Pictures you need not to draw. Just numbers right enough. Okay. Yes. How many chocolates Mohan is having? Mohan had 9 chocolates. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 chocolates. How many he will give to friend? 4. So 4 you cut off. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 he will give to friend. How many balances there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 of 5, 10 minutes. 9:50. Yes. Mohan had 9 chocolates. In that 4 he will give to friend. How many balance is there? 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balance. You should write here. Third line, number of chocolates left. Okay, answer you should write first line. Mohan had 9 chocolates. Second line, just don't mix up all in one line only. Okay, number of chocolates. Number of chocolates left. Number of chocolates left. How many chocolates left? 5 chocolates. Number of chocolates left? 5. Okay, Mohan had, I'll read again once the second sum. Today in the classwork book, you write word problems. I gave that first one, no, pizza sum and this chocolate sum. 2 sums enough for today's classwork and homework I gave. Then textbook I'll continue. Okay. So keep ready textbook. Textbook keep ready. Page number 93. Okay, page number 93. You keep it ready in the textbook. 93 and 94 will do. Yes. Shall I read once again? Mohan, M-O-H-A-N, Mohan, H-A-D had 9 chocolates, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-S, chocolates. Mohan had 9 chocolates. He gave 4 to his friend. How many he will give? He gave 4 to his friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. H-O-W, how? M-A-N-Y, mini. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-S, chocolate. A-R-E-R-L-E-F-T, left. Why I am reading again and again? For you to make you to understand well. You shouldn't get confusion. That's why we are reading. Once again, I am reading again and again the same sum. Okay, children? Mohan had 9 chocolates. He gave 4 to his friend. How many chocolates are left? So answer, Mohan had 9 chocolates. He gave to friend 4 chocolates. So put minus symbol. Symbol is important, okay? If it is given plus, you should add. If it is given minus, you should subtract. Subtraction we have taught you, isn't it, in the previous classes? So 9 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chocolates. In that 4 chocolates, you could eat, give to friend. That you cut off 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That only I written here. First line, Mohan had 9 chocolates. Second line, he gave to friend 4 chocolates. Third line, number of chocolates left. Means how many balance he is having in his hand? 5. Okay. So 9 minus 4, that is 5. You can count in the finger and also you can count 9. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fingers you can keep. In that 4, you can cut off 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 you can fold it. How many balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that also you can do. Or draw circles and you can cut off, that also you can do. Okay. So today you write these 2 sums in the classwork. Next, keep ready the textbook. Page number 93. I'll continue. Keep ready the textbook. So classwork book today, what we gave? Word problems, 2 sums I gave. That much you do today, enough. Next, we'll do the textbook sum. So in the previous class, I did textbook sum, page number 93. One number line sums was there in that, isn't it? 92 and 93 we did. And in 93 page, I end up with the number line sum. Now I do the abacus sum, addition on abacus. Don't get confusion. First you finished classworks now, and homework main also you have copied 1 to 20 in words today's homework. Then now you keep ready the textbook. Page number 93 you open. I will teach you. Then you can understand and write the answers in the textbook. Pencil in the hand and page number 93. Keep ready. Shall I start? Page number 93. What is that heading? Addition on the abacus. Addition on the abacus. Draw the beads on abacus and add. What heading they are given? Draw the abacus. Draw the beads. Draw the beads. Draw the beads on abacus and add. Like this heading is given in your textbook, isn't it? Then they're given 6 sums there. 6 sums are given. So first sum. Don't get confusion. See, T means tens. Everything is printed. This all it is printed. You should just fill the answers in the circle and draw the beads on the abacus. I'll show how to do. First sum, what is the question? 7 plus 2. First we'll draw and keep the abacus. You need not to draw, children. It's printed in your book. Just I will draw the abacus on the board for you to make you to understand well. Total 6 sums are there, isn't it? This page. Show the page once. This one. Page number 93, abacus sum. 6 are there now. Yes. Draw and keep ready the questions. That time it will be easy for me. For you to make you to understand well, isn't it? This is third sum. Fourth sum is 6 plus 3. Plus 3. Plus 3. Plus 2. So like this 6 sums are given in your book. It's given or not? Given no, children? In your book. So like this everything is printed. Now you should draw the beads and write. How to do? I'll show. See. Draw the, what is the heading? Draw the beads on abacus and add. So what is the first sum? 7 plus 2. Addition you know how to do already. Isn't it? I have taught you. So keep it 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7 count. After 7 how much? 8, 9. So 9. So what is the answer? 9. 9 beads you should draw in your abacus. Okay. What is the answer you got? You should draw here one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 you got the answer. Draw 9 beads on the first abacus here. Okay. Yes. Shall I move to the second sum? 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, how much? 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Draw 9 beads here. 1, 2, 3. You count and draw. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understand? Next come to the third sum. 4 plus 2. What is this? 4 plus 2. How to do? 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. Right answer 6 and draw here 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beads. Understand how to do? Yes. Next come to the next sum. 6 in the mind, 3 in the 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Right here 9 and draw 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads. Okay. Next, 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So draw here 8 beads. Addition you know no children. Main addition you should know means then only you can draw the correct number of beads. Okay. Don't do wrong answer. One more time I will explain for you. So 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 3 plus 2 they are given. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. Draw here 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads. Okay. So, first, what we gave today in today's class? What I gave? First, I gave classwork. So, in the classwork book, what I gave? Word problems. Word problems we gave. Isn't it? Word problems I gave, 2 sums. That one you should complete. This is today what I did. Homework I gave 1 to 20 to write in words. This I gave. Then in textbook, what I gave? Page number 93. Page number 93 sums. This much we completed today. That all it should be completed and it should be ready. Okay, children, classwork, homework and textbook. So this main, I'll explain one more time. Understand properly. Okay. See. So you will open page 93. In that, this main is there. Addition on the abacus. Then read the heading. Draw the beads on abacus and add. Means you should draw the beads on the abacus. This is abacus. What you are drawn here, that is the beads. So this is add. Add means addition. 7 plus 2 they have printed. You should do addition. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. Addition you should learn properly. After 7, 8, 9. What's the answer? 9. Draw 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next come to the second sum. 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, how much? After 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9. So write 9 here, draw 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, next come to the third sum. 4 plus 2. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. Draw 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Draw 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads. Okay, correctly draw. Next, 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, understood how to do? Next, last sum. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads you should draw. Understand how to do? Yes. So today you do classwork mains, do sums what I gave, the statement sums, and homework main you do, and do this in the textbook sums and practice in your rough notes well. Okay. And next in the next class I am going to continue. Okay. Thank you, children.